So this is a very short video on how to fix one of the known issues with the Pixo Jr lamp, which you can download for free at Creative Crash, the website now called highend3d.com. And this is the lamp which I animated earlier on. You can see it's hopping in a kind of office environment, but look what happens when it keeps hopping. This weird thing happens to the lamp's head. So obviously we don't want that to happen. And the reason for that is this is quite an old rig now. It was created back in '06, so it's almost 20 years old. And the way that Maya is operating nowadays means that we need to make some fixes to this rig. We need to make some changes to Maya in order to stop this from happening. So the fix is down here under settings. If you look down here, bottom right hand corner of the screen, little orange guy running from the giant wheel, you can see that's the preferences in Maya. If I click on that and I go up to settings, animation, and then under evaluation, change parallel to DG. So we're changing the evaluation mode from the newer version, which is parallel, to the older evaluation mode, which is DG. Then I click on save, and now that problem will go away. So this is just happening because it's an older lamp, and it's one of these things, one of these annoying things. If you don't know how to fix it, you don't know how to fix it. There's more on the lamp here at the animation blog. If I go to the Animation Apprentice blog here and just search for Pixo Lamp, you'll find a bunch of information about how to use this rig. And there's a blog post from October 2023, which has a tutorial on how to animate the lamp hopping. And that should have in there some information about how to solve this problem as well, in theory. Yes, so change evaluation mode to DG, so that's all in there. So enjoy using the Pixo lamp. It's a great little lamp. It's obviously inspired by the original Pixar short, Pixo Jr, which was really their first foray into character animation. And here we love the animated lamp because it's just such a great way to learn character animation, just like Pixar did all those years ago.